From long time, she's not going anywhere, just staying with us. And I was capturing this time lapse of the sun, and day by day slowly summers are coming. Actually, in this tropical climate, winters are beautiful. Winters are always beautiful. Let us face the heat, and compared to all our previous vlogs, this vlog will be somewhat technical and somewhat informational. So many of them are giving feedback to make some useful vlog. So this vlog will be completely useful if you watch carefully. Welcome back to the actual purpose of the vlog. So let me introduce this book to you. Actually, I have read this book twice. It is called Crushing It by Gary Vee. He is one of the greatest entrepreneurs and greatest businessman as I know. If we dive into the introduction part, what it actually says. My 8-year-old daughter wants to be a YouTuber when she grows up. He says that it's no surprise for him, because whatever the work he is doing, his daughter is directly reflecting. She is getting attracted to the work which he is doing. The whole point of a human being is trying to generate wealth as much as possible. And what my consideration is, let us do our own work, the work which we love. And whatever the wealth we gain from that work, let us keep with us. Let us keep this Indian parenting style aside. This book is based on US parenting, so try to understand this.
They dream of creating a popular online presence the way kids used to dream of becoming Hollywood stars. Unfortunately, unless they are entrepreneurs themselves or deeply in the known, most parents will respond to these career aspirations with or worse, narrow-minded cynicism. That's not a real job. Even the few who smile uncomprehendingly and offer a mild, "Great honey, go for it," will likely secretly shake their heads at a sweet naivety of youth.
So there are 4 ways of earning. The first way is employment. The second way is self-employment. The third way is business. The fourth way is investors. In most of our lives, we will be coming across these 2 ways. 80% belongs to employment category and the rest 20% belong to self-employment. So according to the stated graph, what I want to say actually is that in our whole life we will be coming across all sort of employees and self-employment people. Self-employment in the sense who own small businesses, small shops, etc. So their advice will be simply don't take risk, go and join a job, which doesn't help maximum people. There are millions of billionaires in the whole world. So most of these people have started everything with zero. Let me show this article to you. As this article says, the All India Survey on Higher Education 2019 reports by the Ministry of Human Resources stated that the field of engineering is the 4th popular stream with 38.52 lakh students who enrolled in different institutions in the country, with 80% of Indian engineers unemployed. Let me say this to you. Engineering and all other major courses has been a huge business in India, and not only in India, in whole world I can say. If you are what engineering actually defines is that if you want to learn some technology, if you want to create some technology, if you want to try to execute some technology, engineering is the best place. And one more issue is that if you really love technology, engineering is one of the vital source of gaining knowledge in that process and getting a progress. I'm nowhere against of this engineering at any way, at any cost. The point over here is whatever the course it may be, if you are really in love with that specific work which you do, then try to go into that course. Just don't blindly go for any course because of some Sharma's beta. As I have said, talent has nothing to do with the education which you study and where you go to college. So this is one of my favorite senior, Raju. He is senior in Inter. So he has studied degree lo
BCom computers.
The knowledge which he has is intense, man. Just see what he has invented.
Rover
So this is a rover which works with etla work aitade
based on Wi-Fi.
based on Wi-Fi hotspot, and we can control with a small app which he has got in this in his mobile.
Blink.
So
Blink application.
by using a Blink application. So if you see, no, idu pattuko. So if you see, if I control in his mobile, this will start moving. So this is intense, man. अब हम राइट चला रहे हैं, राइट को घूम रहे हैं, लेफ्ट రెండు క్యాప్చర్ అవుతుందా సో స్ట్రైట్ నువ్వు వాడు సో హ్యావ్ అ లుక్ త్రూ ఇట్ మ్యాన్ ఇట్లా పోనీ చెక్కనే So this is so cool. This is a motion sensor sanitizer bottle. Sensor ante ఏది దీంట్లో?
ఇవే
ఓకే.
ఐఆర్ బ్లాస్టర్స్.
Insane. Okay. Pardon me for the huge noise disturbance which was coming constantly because there is a construction work going on. I can't help, but for sure there is a lot of different stuff near that guy. I will show all those technical stuff which he has invented clearly in some other vlog. He was traveling to some other place, so we were in a rush. He is a bit free. I would have took him to some decent place and we would have got a nice footage as well. And one more thing, whatever I have said on the courses available, don't quote me on this because it's my perspective, right? Let us keep this much for this week. Keep watching this channel. We will be getting a lot of great content. Support me. Take care. Shubha khair. Bye.
ఐఆర్ బ్లాస్టర్స్ పోయినాయి, 2 పోయినాయి ఐఆర్ బ్లాస్టర్స్.
Okay.